Remember what Gandhi said. Gandhi said there is enough for everyone's need and not enough for anybody's greed. So this is a constant struggle between greed and need. People who want to accumulate, never-ending desire to accumulate, never-ending desire for wealth on one side, and never-ending hunger and problem on the other side. So in this constant struggle, how do we use non-violence and non-violent, active non-violence in order to tilt this process is the challenge that we are all faced with.
Alors, c'est ce que disait Gandhi dans ses propres mots. Il disait, c'est un peu, si vous voulez, une lutte constamment entre le besoin qui vient s'opposer, les besoins de certains qui sont en lutte avec l'avidité des autres. C'est toujours affaire de lutte entre la volonté d'accaparer les choses pour soi et les autres qui ont des besoins et qu'il faut prendre en compte les besoins. Cette lutte, eh bien, elle se mène et c'est dans le cadre de cette lutte qu'il faut se demander comment, dans un tel contexte, on peut utiliser la non-violence pour faire avancer les choses. Une non-violence active.
And this is the question that people are raising across the globe. When I come to France, people are asking me, how do we use non-violence, active non-violence, to counter the forces that are taking our land? When I go to Brazil, people are asking, how can we use active non-violence? So slowly, as I travel across the globe, I find people are really keen to know how to use active non-violence to challenge a state, a government that is not functioning in the interest of the poor but functioning all the time in the interest of multinational national companies. So this is a very interesting area of discussion.